Here's the app called Fitted AI Closet, your closet in your pocket. So this is one of those AI wardrobe apps. There are a lot of these apps right now. It's a kind of trendy new AI niche where you just have your clothes and you want to figure out what to wear next day, and you can ask AI for help. And this technology is getting better and better. So here is the app. You can give access to camera, and then you just basically take photo of your clothes like that, and then you will have your clothes available. And then yeah, you can just take photo and then just upload a piece, and then just organize it. But yeah, anyway, I will just give you an idea, and then you'll just have it here, and then you can just add it to closet, and this app automatically analyzes what is that. So for example, t-shirt, price, add to closet, and then for example you have this t-shirt. Then you just can have it. You have feeds. You can create a feed with help of AI. You can have a collection, and then you have your profile. So that's the idea, that just taking photos, organizing your clothes, and every day you can just log into the app in the morning and let this app help to decide what you will be wearing. Of course, this is not perfect, but this app is just a start, and it can at least give you some ideas what you can wear or what your style you prefer and things like that. So yeah, that's what it is.